Hi. After watching this video, you will be able to create a productivity AI assistant which you are seeing on the screen now. Let's build the assistant now. Add the routing node and set up the intents. Add the text node and write a goodbye message to send when our customer says bye or goodbye to the assistant. Add the read node and select the chat history variable. Add the LLM node and set up the models and prompts. I will give a prompt as you are a productivity assistant. I'll provide details about my current productivity goals, challenges, preferred working style, or specific tasks I want to improve efficiency on. You'll offer guidance, tools, methodologies, and strategies to enhance my productivity and time management. Additionally, if I ask about overcoming procrastination, optimizing workflow, or improving focus and concentration, provide tailored advice or insights. If I ask you about unrelated topics, respond with "Sorry, I can't help you with that." My expertise is focused on productivity and time management. I have given this prompt on this video description. Our productivity AI assistant is ready. Let's check it on Sandbox. If you are interested in creating a customer support AI assistant, then watch the video shown on the screen now.